Primetime News this evening, some stakeholders not happy with BOJ's salary advice to employers. Specialist teachers in short supply. Ministry says it will act in time for September. And pregnant women warned to stay hydrated amid risk to unborn child due to heat.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, in addition to your weekly gas prices update, I'll tell you a bit about what the BOJ is saying about Jamdex. The details later on.
Thank you, Keys, and some amazing performances on the track today. Jermaine Brown has a preview of Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Archie. While Jamaica's athletes continue to fight gallantly to increase their medal tally in Budapest, but there could be trouble in the camp as well with the relays to come. We'll tell you about that and more a bit later on.
I gotta tune in for that one.
Definitely. And Romaine Robinson is also here to tell us what is coming up in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Andrea. This week we do still have afternoon thunderstorms across the island, especially tomorrow, and we are expecting another increase on Saturday. There's a weak trough system and the tropical wave that passed through the general area.
I feel like the World Championships brought good news with Romaine.
Rain?
Yeah, rain. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, how early do you start preparing for the new school term and why?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.